welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a homemade herbal mouthwash that will help you to get rid of years of chronic mouth odor. So if you want to learn how I come up with this mixture, keep watching. The first ingredient that we're going to be needing is mint leaf. I will be chopping the mint leaf, but you can choose to pound or blend the mint leaf. For this recipe, we'll be needing just a teaspoon of mashed mint leaf. Mint leaf contains chlorophyll that will help you to scrape out the odor causing bacteria from your teeth and give you a fresher breath. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is baking soda. Baking soda is also known as bicarbonate soda. We'll be needing just a teaspoon of baking soda for this recipe. Baking soda contains antibacterial properties that will help you to fight against bacteria in your mouth. It also helps you to subside and kill bad mouth odor. So if you are suffering from chronic mouth odor, washing your mouth with baking soda will help you to kill away those mouth odor and give you fresh breath all day long. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is lemon juice. We'll be needing 3 teaspoons of lemon juice for this recipe. Lemon juice is thought to help reduce smelling breath because of its strong antibacterial properties that help to neutralize odor. So if you are suffering from chronic mouth odor, lemon juice is a go-to for you to subside or neutralize those mouth odor. So we'll be mixing all ingredients together. If you are watching to this extent and you have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content, and don't forget to hit the like button. So after mixing all ingredients, we're going to be straining that, okay? We'll be straining out the juice of the mixture. So guys, here we have our herbal mouthwash that will help you to cure years of chronic mouth odor. So I will take you to the other side where I will show you how to use it for best results. So after washing your mouth and scrubbing your tongue in the morning, take a teaspoon of this herbal mixture, use it to rinse your mouth, okay? Hold it in your mouth for up to 2 to 3 minutes. Thereafter, you rinse it out. I have a video where I made a homemade toothpaste that will help you to get rid of mouth odor. I will link it in the description box for you to watch that later. See you in my next video. Bye.